Good morning, buddy. How you doing, huh? Huh? You doing good? You doing good?
We left the door open on the rotary the other day when we started.
Oh, really?
Flew all over in the compartment back there, so I'm gonna clean it up. And then when we're gonna do the air filter, I'll wrap it. Okay. Go ahead, turn on. Hand me that one little skinny piece.
Not on there. Is it in the shop?
Go look at the Ranger.
Yeah. Here it is. Here.
And then slide the vacuum up here as close as you can. Good.
Okay, guys, we have arrived. Foster's counting rows. He's gonna count 48 rows because we're gonna go to the 48th row, split it, just work down and back. Today's gonna be a short day. We're having 2 days cut short. We have somewhere to go today. So yeah, we'll get done like about 1 o'clock. It's been like a year. It's been a year since you've been in here, huh? Since you've come by.
Yeah.
Haven't done since last year.
It's a good marker.
I don't know, it is good. So that's gonna go, so right here.
Yep.
So right now we are, actually show them right here. So we're just splitting the field, well not splitting the field in half, we're splitting a portion of it in half. We counted 48 rows, going straight down, and we'll be full when we get down there. Because this is actually a higher yielding field. This is irrigated, so.
Joel said he put about 8 inches of water on this field, so it's like an average. That's what we would have gotten on an average year. So it's not like extra water, or it's like a normal amount of rain that we would have gotten. But this year we got a dry year.
Yeah, you wanna go?
Yeah, you were trying
It's
to
his turn.
take your spot, huh?
Okay, so you know, refresher, you know what to do?
No. Yes, I do.
Boom. The trick is to not oversteer, remember?
I know. It's
Foster unloading on the go. Dude's opening his tuna sandwich. Ugh. Just smell that now for the whole day. Well, he pressed the wrong button. I can't see it. Accident. Instead of yeah, here we go.
whoops.
Right there.
That's coming out of my paycheck.
That's instead of raising the corn head, he pressed.
I had my finger on the auger button for shutting it off, and I just forgot to take it off.
Yeah, that's how we're looking right now. Not a whole lot's been going on, huh? We're gonna fill one more truck up, and then that'll be it for the day.
Oh, there we go.
Dude, good thing the auger was down because I just did what you did.
Really?
I pressed the auger button.
It all fell off.
Tomorrow we're back at it. Back at it tomorrow.
Good my way.
Good my way. Oy. Back at the farm. Cart's parked right there. Still has like half a load in it. Jump in that. We'll drive when it's done. We'll drive it up over by the cart dump into it one more time. Truck's empty, gonna hop back into here. Uh-oh. Not even close. I'll put you guys down for a sec. Got her centered out now. Okay, that's it for that. Now we're just gonna park him in there. Combine's right there as well. We'll pull it in the shed too. I can do this one-handed. Go check the back real quick, make sure I'm in all the way. Oh yeah, I'm fine. We're getting started today. Same place, same time.
Not really the same time.
All right, ready to go. Got Foster out, wiping off the windshield. A little dusty, not too crazy, but won't fall. Wouldn't want to start the corn. Almost fell. There's the irrigator. So this thing waters the field in a circle. This summer we didn't get a whole lot of rain, so this field is pretty much our highest yielding corn field. And I want to show you guys this. If you look at the map, it's in a circle. So all the green stuff is the better yielding parts of the field, and it's in a big circle, so you can see where the irrigator moves. So that's pretty cool. Time is it?
I guess.
It was lunchtime.
I guess
It says right here it's 10:30. We got lunch coming. My mom's making. What's she making?
I don't know.
Broth patties.
Ooh.
Broth patties, and she made mac and cheese. Getting spoiled today. Last day of harvest, gotta spoil us, you know. This crossroads right here.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
So you just gotta stop it. And you gotta
Let's see if I can do what I've been taught. All right, crossroads. Here's what we do. That's perfect. Back up a little bit. Raise the head. You don't want to back up and then raise the head, or else you'll mess up the sensors. Turn around. Alright, I'm gonna go count the rows for Foster. 1, 2, 7, 48.
Our lunch is here.
Lunchtime. Hopefully it doesn't drop you guys. Look at these. We got broth patties.
Japanese mayo.
Mac and cheese. Holy crap.
Dig in.
We can do it. You've done it before.
It's the fanciest lunch I've ever eaten in the field. How was it?
10 out of 10.
How's combining going?
Good.
Good. Dad's sad. He misses his combine.
I bet.
In the back seat, but I got my golf clubs back there.
Going to the same place.
It's too windy. Plates are going all over the place. Oh, let me get that bite. Well, that's it. Going back to the combine with a full stomach. This is what we got left. So, not a whole lot. Here we go, last 8 rows. got 334 bushels in the hopper, so. On the road again. On the road.
Darn.
Gotta put her into fourth gear if we want to go on the road. Yeah, we're off. We have arrived. Just like that, she's all parked and ready to get put away. I believe my dad's gonna grab the air compressor. It's over there. He'll blow it off. So yeah, we're all done. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Hopefully we can continue to post some more videos every once in a while. It'll be a little hard because I'll be away, but we'll try to do it. That's gonna do it for today. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.